Hello, welcome to part 53 of the Design Tool tutorial series. In continuation of the HVAC system we began to add to the office model in the previous tutorial, today we are going to be creating ducts that connects the ceiling conceal unit, otherwise the fan coil unit, to the air terminals, right? So here is our unit. That is the ceiling concealed unit. This, like I mentioned before, this is slightly above the ceiling, and we have our air terminals flushing with the ceiling to create allowance for ducts to connect to them. All right. So if you want to create a duct or if you want to create a duct, either you click on under a ribbon, you go to System. Here you click on the duct, or you click on the equipment itself. So if I click on the equipment itself, some icon appears around it. Alright, so if you check, this particular one is indicating that if I click on this icon here, I'm going to create a duct, a supply air duct of size 663.6 width and 1556 height. Alright, so I'm going to click on this and change the size to 500, right? 500 by 200. So Revit automatically creates the transition for us. All right, so I'll change the view so that we can to visualize this very well. So this is perfect. So I would continue with this. Draw dots, just continue. At some point I will be reducing the sizes. I'll use the size to, let me say, this one to 400. Let's say 400. Right, so it's so for instance, I want to reduce it to 200 for the last one, or maybe let me continue to this end and this to 200, and I want it to align to the left. All right, so you just click on justification here. Let's say left. All right, okay. Which case, let me see. Okay, left. Okay. Here, I'll leave it at middle. Okay. I'll continue. Now I want it to be 200 by 200. Okay. Continue. It's supposed to align to one particular point. For notwithstanding, let's delete it and click on this particular transition and delete it. Click on this dot and click on justification and change it to this point here. Okay, let's put it here. Alright. Okay, finish. This. Okay, so click on this and let's draw a dot of 200 by 200. So this is basically how to align your dot, right? So you see that this one was centralized, and this particular one was in an offset, right? So let's add an end cap to this dot. Notice, so see that an end cap has been added already. So what we need to do now is to connect all the supply air terminal to this supply duct here. So in order to do that, your duct has to be in a good position to connect to, like this is in a good position to connect to this duct now. So I'm going to click on this duct and connect into the duct. right? So just simple and straightforward. So the same for this. I'm going to click on it, connect here, right? So notice it is creating your takeoff at this point, right? So same here. I'm going to connect to it. I'm going to connect to it. So this is another supply. I'm going to connect to this particular duct, and the same for this. Click, connect here. Okay, sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. Connect into this. Alright. And this particular one is not. Let me see the option that it will give me. I'm going to click on this and connect into this. Let me see the option it provides. So to give me a wrong um, figure. So that means your terminal needs to be well aligned. If not, you will have to draw the duct yourself. So just click on this particular duct here and type CS on the keyboard. Right? CS means create similar. So I'm going to, from this point, I will draw a duct. Good. I'll draw a duct. That allows to snap to. Let me start from here. Draw a duct to this point. Okay, I draw it, then just bring it straight to the point to connect immediately. So you can bring this down by just using your move key and then positioning your duct relaxation. So we've successfully drawn the supply duct. Okay, let's draw the return duct. But my aim was to allow this to be a free return. So with that, I think we are going to stop here. The reason is because we want our HVAC system free return. So these air terminals are returned air terminals to this particular HVAC equipment. Alright, so let me quickly place the HVAC outdoor unit, so which is what we're supposed to do in the last tutorial, but let's just do it now. So go to mechanical equipment, load family, then VRF outdoor, open. So let's place it. Let's place it. It's taking some time to load. Sometimes when you are using Revit, recommended that your system should be maybe 8 gig, but this particular one I'm using is 16 gig. If you have a higher one, it makes your system faster. So this is, let's just place it in. Yes, we can't be able to see it because it's on the floor. Alright. If you want to visualize this, let's go to the ground floor here. And let's click on this. You can see something there. So these are units. Alright. So let's go back to our ceiling view. So in our ceiling view, we'll be able to draw the air terminals and connect them to the HVAC equipment. Alright. So our tutorial for today ends here. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out in any future or subsequent videos related to this. So try and price your own. If there's any challenge you are facing,